Hello, everyone. This is Lily. Welcome back to Echo English Moments. I'm so happy to sit with you again today, slowly, softly, warmly. Today, we meet a new friend. Her name is Sofia. Sofia is calm on the outside, but nervous on the inside. She has one big dream. She wants to cook with English videos. She wants to follow English recipes. She wants to try new dishes. But she cannot because English cooking words confuse her. Chop, stir, boil, simmer. Too many, too fast. So her dream becomes stuck, like a spoon stuck in thick honey. Maybe you understand this feeling too. If yes, today Sofia will show you a worn, gentle way forward. Sofia lives in a tiny apartment with yellow curtains and a small kitchen that always smells like warm bread. The kitchen is her happy place. On Sundays, sunlight dances on the stove. Her wooden spoons rest in a cup like quiet old friends. A plant grows near the window. Its leaves lean toward Sofia when she cooks. But beside all this warm beauty, Sofia keeps a small problem hidden. Every night she watches English cooking videos, and every night she pauses them again and again. She leans closer. She squints her eyes. She whispers, "What did she say? Chop? Shop? Drop? Stir? Or steer?" Her shoulders fall. Her cheeks feel hot. Her confidence goes down like a sad balloon. She presses pause. Then she presses exit. Then she whispers to herself, "I can't do this. I'm too slow." One day at work, Sofia brings homemade cookies. Her coworker Daniel takes one bite and says, "These are amazing. Can you share the recipe?" Sofia freezes. Her heart beats fast. She wants to say the steps in English, but her mind becomes empty, completely empty. She tries, "I mix flour, then, hot, Daniel smiles politely, but Sofia feels embarrassed. Her hand shakes. She just says, I write later." She goes to the bathroom, closes the door, presses her hand on her chest, and whispers, "Why is this so hard for me?" Her eyes feel wet. Her dream of cooking in English feels far away. That evening, Sofia takes out her trash. Her neighbor, Mrs. Brown, a kind old lady with soft gray hair, opens her door and smiles. She holds a bowl. "Soup?" she asks gently. Sofia takes a bite. Warm, soft, comforting. She asks, "What What is this soup? Mrs. Brown laughs quietly. Oh dear, it's simple. Carrots, onions, boil, stir, slow. Sophia repeats the words in her heart. Boil, stir, slow. They feel simple, clear, not scary. Mrs. Brown pats her arm. You don't need big English words to cook, just small ones. Small is enough. Sophia carries the sentence home like a little candle in the dark. That night, Sophia takes a small notebook with a yellow cover. Inside is empty, completely empty, waiting for something new. She writes slowly. Stir equals move spoon in circle. Boil equals bubbles in water. Chop equals cut small. She draws tiny pictures next to each word. A pot with steam, a carrot, a spoon. Her drawings are clumsy but cute. They make her smile. She whispers, I can learn like a child. Simple, soft, slow. She feels a small hope rise in her chest. Every evening, Sophia chooses one English word and uses it in her kitchen. She speaks out loud, even when alone. Stir, stir, stir. Chop, chop, chop. Boil, boil, boil. At first, she whispers. Then she speaks. Then she sings them. She laughs at herself because she sounds like a cartoon character. But the sound feels good, warm, friendly. Her plant near the window seems to listen. Her wooden spoons seem to cheer for her. Her kitchen becomes her safe classroom. 1 week later, Sophia feels brave. Not very brave, just a little brave. Enough for a small step. She opens an English cooking video again. Her hands sweat, her shoulders tense. The teacher says, chop the tomatoes. Sophia nods. I know that one. The teacher says, stir the soup. Sophia stirs gently. I know that too. She moves slowly, carefully, but confidently. When the dish is done, Sophia looks at it like it is magic. She whispers, I followed a video in English for the first time. Her eyes shine. Her heart feels full like warm soup. On Sunday, Sophia's mom visits. Sophia cooks for her. Her mom asks in Spanish, how did you make it? Sophia smiles proudly. She answers in English on purpose. Boil, stir, slow. Her mom laughs. Ah, English chef now. Sophia laughs too. She feels taller, lighter, braver. A few days later, Sophia sees a sign in her building. Community Cooking Night in simple English. She reads the words 3 times. Her heart beats fast. Her fingers shake. She thinks, should I go? Should I stay home? She touches her little yellow notebook. She feels its warm cover. She remembers Mrs. Brown's voice. Small is enough. So she goes. Small step, big courage. At the class, people cut vegetables. People laugh. People practice simple English. Pass salt, please. Stir slowly. One more carrot. Sofia joins them. She speaks. She smiles. She uses her kitchen words, and they work. When the class ends, the teacher says, "You did great, Sofia." She lowers her head shyly, but her smile is bright. Let's think about Sofia. She began afraid. Her English cooking dream felt impossible. Her videos felt too fast. Her confidence felt too small. But she slowed down. She made her own little notebook. She learned tiny words. She practiced gently in her kitchen. She cooked with love, and she grew. You can grow too. Choose one small English word today. Write it, say it, use it in your daily life. Small is enough. Small is strong. Small becomes big. You are not alone. I'm here with you. Echo English Moments is with you. See you next time. Bye for now.